Today we have an awesome 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhome in South Salt Lake that just hit the market. Located near 33rd South and I-15 and priced under $400K. You're going to want to check it out. And since we are nearing Mother's Day, we want to do a Mother's Day giveaway. I forgot to bring Savvy the Bear, but go ahead and DM us the time on the clocks in the kitchen in the video, and then comment your favorite restaurant that you would love to take your mother or mother-in-law out, and we're going to pick one lucky winner and Venmo you money to take your mom out. So you could be our lucky winner. Give it a shot.